A day in my life as a feeling content creator.
Oh my god.
Today we are going to find sili. So this is our mais and still cannot maburas. So bilis-bilisan yung magango. So this is the bakanting lote nga mulaan tayon to inti tuyo. So the rain is coming, then they are free water to swim. So come Lodi Cakes, so we can find sili. Because sili today is very high valuable. So this is way where we can find Jay sili kakabsat kit sili kit mang paimas timakan. Sorry for Englishing because I'm not rich in English. So let's go here. This is the way. And I can see something. There's a lukban there. Yan. So that lukban is not our mine. So shout out to the planter of this lukban. Later I will plug one only. As you can see the bunga, it's very big. There's a the dakkel is what they call rechander. So I see something. I see there's a puun of sili there. So let's asitgan natin. So there you go. So let's check if dati bunga na. So there is only one bunga ay na inunaan na tayo matentibilit kakabsat. Ngam adamot piman in bati na kakabsat ayan. So isut alayin tayo kakabsat. So let's start picking buras-burasing di sili. Ayan sa kakabsat ket ata burburasan ti sili. Let's harvesting. So ayan, let's continue harvest until we puno-puno the plastic. Bakay bagayong manin ihang ko impakada dyan ti making kanya. Madik talaga impakada kapsat. I didn't say. Because the owner is fly away. Because this sili is planted by the bilit. You know what? The bilit eat the sili, then poops it, and it will grow. That's the life of the sili. So I think I'm already done harvesting or burasing the sili. So let's go and get some of the lukban. So let's check the kaungalan of the lukban. So we will get the big one. Kit ay to na spot ko di big. So let's pulag-pulag or let's pitas. So medyo mahirap kakabsat. Narigat mo nga big tasid. So guyudin tayo kakabsat. Nagrigat yo. Sa wakas at napuros at hindi tumama sa aking mukha kakabsat. So this is what we pinurus kakabsat. Yes, a big lukban and the sili. So let's go home na.